has recently updated its algorithm to prioritize video and better recommend relevant content to its users. Now, this is important information because Pinterest is a visual search engine, but when you think Pinterest, you don't think video. You think pictures, you think infographics, you think step-by-step image tutorials. Pinterest is kind of like if Google and your vision board had a baby, this would be it. Pinterest is the ultimate social media platform for ideas, planning, and inspiration. Pinterest has been helping people manifest things before manifesting things became trendy. You want to learn how to decorate your house or apartment? Go to Pinterest. You want to figure out what to wear for a job interview or a date? Go to Pinterest. You want to learn how to make that fire meal from your favorite restaurant? Go to Pinterest. You want to get a mint? Go to Pinterest. 89% of people on Pinterest say it's where they go for purchase decisions and inspiration. 85% of pinners say it's their go-to destination when starting a new project. So needless to say, video is very much so a welcome shift. And if you didn't know, across all social media platforms, video is the most engaging content type. And yes, that includes Twitter, that includes LinkedIn, that includes Facebook, that includes Instagram, that includes you fill in the blank. So what does Pinterest prioritizing video mean for you? Well, for one, it means that if you aren't already creating video content, you need to incorporate it into your marketing mix ASAP. As we already discussed, video is the most engaging content type, so if you're not creating it, you're already operating under your potential. Now, if you want to post video to Pinterest, you need to know that in order to do so, it requires a business Pinterest account. Now, you can either create a free Pinterest business account or you can convert your personal account into a Pinterest account. But that's the number one requirement. You will not, can you say with me? I will not be able to post video to Pinterest unless I have a Pinterest business account. In addition to having a Pinterest business account, the requirements around posting video to that platform includes having a minimum video length of 4 seconds or a maximum video length of 15 minutes. Now the specs can either be square, which is 1x1, or vertical, which is 2x3, 4x5, or 9x16. Now people have experienced a lot of great success repurposing their Instagram story content for Pinterest because the specs are the same. Now there are tons of video content that you can create for Pinterest. How-tos, tutorials, product demos, you name it. And if you're already creating video content, this is a great opportunity for you to rethink your distribution model and where your content lives, right? It shouldn't just live on YouTube or on Facebook. Figure out how you can kind of stretch it and get the most out of it. And don't forget, one of the best things about Pinterest is that you can use your content to drive viewers elsewhere, right? So you can use your video pins to take people to your YouTube channel, to your product page, to your website. Pinterest is one of those social platforms where people come with the expectancy to click through somewhere else. So do not miss on that opportunity. Are you already posting video content to Pinterest? If not, will you start? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to put your Pinterest name and the type of content that you post there, because you never know who's looking for what you have. Right about now, your mind might be swirling around how you can better incorporate Pinterest into your marketing strategy, which is a perfect segue for if this, then that.